Students, in the last session, we were discussing regarding the concept of reproductive health and diseases. Okay. Today, we will continue, not reproductive health, you first, animal kingdom. We were discussing the concept of animal kingdom. So, we discussed basis of classification, Porifera and Coelenterata. Right. So, today we are going to discuss regarding the concept of Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, and brief concept about Porifera as well as Coelenterata also. Just a minute. Fine. So today, due to some technical issues, the class started late. We apologize for it. Fine. So we were discussing the basis of classification. We completed it in the last session. Today, we are going to concentrate on the characteristics of poriferans. And poriferans, you know that as the name indicates, poriferans means pore-bearing animals. So the screen is sharing still. Stay tuned in. Soon it will be shared. So the poriferans will be having the outer cell layer, and they will be having the pores as well as the flagellated cells, then the spicules, which provides a skeletal skeletal support to the organism, and the central cavity. And the pore, what is there na, it is called as ostia. The pore is termed as ostia. Whether the screen is visible for you all? Fine. Then when we come to the phylum Coelenterata is mostly marine. It is sessile or free swimming. Radially symmetrical animals will be present. And we know that the other name of Coelenterata is Cnidaria. It will be having central gastrovascular cavity. Then digestion will be partly extracellular, partly intracellular. Some of the digestion takes place inside the body. Some of the digestion takes place outside the body. Then they will be having the skeleton made up of calcium carbonate. They have tissue level of organization. Polyp, they will be having two forms, polyp and medulla. Polyp will be fixed at one place only, sessile. Cylindrical form like Hydra adamsia. Medusa will be like an umbrella and it will be free swimming. Jellyfish will come in medusa. Those having both stages show alternation of generation. Polyp and medusa, alternation of generation. Now let us solve some questions on it. Just a minute. I don't know why the screen is not being shared here. Arpita, can you able to see the screen? Just let me know through the chat box. Arpita? Arpita, can you able to see the screen? Screen ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? Arpita, can you able to see the screen? Yeah. So these are the questions on sponges. As you can see, the first question, sponges are with water kalam system, sexually reproducing by formation of gametes, both A and B, sessile or free swimming. So the right answer is here option option D, that is sessile or free swimming. Next question. In case of poriferans, the spongocoel, the cavity, is lined with the flagellated cell which flow ostia through pores called. So what are those pores which flow water through pores called? They asked. So the right answer is here ostia. The pores are called as ostia. Next, body having meshwork of cells, internal cavities lined with food filtering flagellated cells, and indirect development. Meshwork of cells, internal cavity lined with food filtering flagellated cells, indirect development are the characteristics of option B, Porifera. Option B, Porifera. Next, in most simple type of canal system of Porifera, water flows through which one of the ways? Ostia, spongocoel, osculum exterior, spongocoel, ostia, osculum exterior, osculum, spongocoel, ostia exterior, osculum, ostia, spongocoel exterior. Yes, can you able to see the screen? Okay. So in most of the simple type of canal system, the porifera water flows through which one of the following ways? So first it will come through the ostia, then spongocoel, osculum, and to the exterior. Next question. Examine the figures A, B, and C and tell the right answer. A is cycon, B is euspongia, C is spongilla. A is euspongilla, B is spongilla, C is cycon. So the right answer is here option A. A is cycon, B is euspongia, C is spongilla. Next question. Which of the following is a fresh water sponge? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಯಾವುದು fresh water sponge ಆಗಿದೆ? Euspongia, euplectella, spongilla, cycon. Yes, what is your response on it? The right answer is here spongilla. Next question. In poriferans, the rudimentary division of labor is found between tissue, cells, organs, organ system. The right answer is here option B, cells. So what the cells will do? As we know that poriferans are made up of or are under cellular level of organization, only cells are present in it. So the division of labor occurs between the cells only. Next, which of the following is not a characteristic of class Porifera? Development is indirect, mostly asymmetrical, usually marine, primitive multicellular animals with cellular level of organization, coenocytes line the spongocoel and canals, sexes are separate. First and fourth, second only, fifth only, third and fourth. Which of the following is a characteristic of class Porifera? Yes. Option C, fifth only. Next question, phylum Coelenterata. Cnidocytes are also called cnidoblast or nematocyte. Explosive cells, each of which contain giant secretory organelle called nematocyst. Stinging cells with all the above features. So the right answer is here, option D, with all the above features. Next question. Consider the following statements about cnidarians. They have tissue level of organization and triploblastic. Digestion is extra and intracellular. Corals secrete calcium bicarbonate to form a skeleton. Corals may harbor some photosynthetic dinoflagellate for taking nutrition. They possess a central gastrovascular cavity with a single mouth, which is called as hypostope. So option A, B, C, and D are given here. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2, 4, and 5 are correct. Statement 1, 2, and 3 are correct. Statement 3 and 4 are correct. So the right answer is here, option B, that is 2, digestion is extracellular and intracellular. 4, corals may harbor some photosynthetic dinoflagellates. And 5th, they possess a central gastrovascular cavity. So these 3 statements are true, are correct. Okay, stinging capsules or nematocytes. Stinging capsules or nematocytes are found in C. anemone, C. pen, C. fan, all of these. C. anemone, C. pen, C. fan, all of these. So the right answer is here, option D. In all these examples, we will see nematocysts. Next question, choanocytes or collar cells line the spongiocele and the canals in the poriferans. Reason, poriferans possess spicules or spongin fibers. Both A and R are true. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation. C, A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. So, as they asked regarding the poriferans, the right answer is here, option B, that is A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of the assertion, because both are different statements. Next question regarding the ctenophora. So regarding the ctenophora, we will discuss in the next session. Okay, so let me end up the session here. Have a nice day.